When you're selling a high ticket, the results are a little bit different. Here's why. Once you start selling high ticket, you are now selling to a different tier. You're selling to the affluent who want the results. Not just want results, but they want the results quickly. And so I'm going to challenge you in this video to take a look at if you have a 6-month program, if you have a 12-month program, if you have a 90-day program. I'm going to challenge you to see if you can deliver it in 3 days. Oh my goodness, Sabrina, I could never do that. How would I even do that? Can that even work? I don't know. Can it? I believe it can. 3-day delivery for the transformation for your client to get the results. I want to introduce you to the new model of how to get your clients results. It may not be so new to others, but it may be brand new to you. When your clients are paying high ticket, 10,000, 20, 30, 40, 100,000, even $1 million, they are looking for results. And they are looking for those results fast. They don't want a 6-month program. They don't want a 12-month program. They are looking to get their results yesterday. When you combined selling one-to-many plus high ticket plus a delivery event, an explosion happens. An explosion happens in your bank account. An explosion happens in your client's life. Explosions continue to happen as you continue to deliver your programs this way. If there's some pre-work that needs to happen on the front end before that 3-day event, get them the pre-work. If there's prior discussions that need to happen, maybe calls, maybe a Telegram group, the main part of you delivering this event is in person. Oh, I forgot to say that. It's an in-person delivery event. People will get to see you. They will get to smell you. They will get to touch you, and you will get to hug each other. This isn't just a virtual event. You can have it if need be. The more that I reveal about these high ticket events that I help my clients set up, execute with ease, it's going to blow your mind. I want you to think about results. How can I get my clients results in a 3-day event, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, get them the transformation that they're looking for over 3 days? This business model, again, take what you want, leave what you want, but I'm sharing from experience and expertise. This business model is the new model. So you're combining done for you, done with you, and do it yourself. You're combining all 3 of these in different parts of the delivery. Done with you, obviously, is during the 3-day event. Done for you, you're giving them a template, a blueprint, something that's already done for them. Do it yourself, you just guide them. They are the ones that execute. But if you are marrying all of these done for, done with, do it yourself together, that's the hybrid. That's where people have really big results and they get it done really fast. If this was an aha moment to you, send me a message on Instagram. These types of moves will completely change your business. These types of moves are ones that women who are faithful to their family, to their business, to their time, to their energy, to their money, to themselves. These are the moves that femme faithful women are making in the industry. I want to invite you to step into the zone. Step into a whole different arena in your head and in your heart of what's possible. What's possible for you, what's possible for your family, what's possible for the legacy that you want to live and leave. What is possible? Is it writing books on Amazon, right? This was my first 30-day devotional that I wrote on Amazon. There's many more to come. This is creativity. This is imagination. All of this came from nothing. Once you continue living in the space of anything is possible, you could have $1 million business. Sabrina, oh my goodness, how would I ever do that? Easy. You create a $30,000 offer, which I'm going to show you how to do, and you find 34 people. 34 people. Can you find 34 people in the entire world? In 365 days, you don't even need to find them. They'll be attracted to you. If you're creating these trust assets that I shared in video 1 of the play method, if you are accelerating your business with these trust assets, they're going to come to you. It's $1 million. Your influence will increase. Your impact will increase. If you're looking to build a legacy, if you're looking to donate to certain foundations that are on your heart, if you're really looking to make a big difference in your community, I can show you how to do it. And I'm willing to show you how to do it. But we have to get the results for our clients fast. I hope you enjoyed this results video. Reach out to me, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are. Let me know what you thought of this video. The next video that we're moving on to is connections. Other people would say conversions. We need some conversions. We need conversions in our data. We need conversions. What was the conversion rate? We are here for connections. Me? Nope. I don't operate on the world's currency, which is money. I live in the heavens. I'm here to bring heaven on earth. We're here to operate on God's currency, which is relationships. And to have relationships, we need to connect. So the next video will be connections. See you over there.